Statistically speaking, about half of you guys watching this video will click off before 30 seconds in. The reason why is because keeping someone's attention on YouTube is one of the hardest things to do, especially when the suggested videos on the side literally shows all of these videos that are just asking to be clicked on. This is how YouTube was designed. It wants its YouTube creators to keep brainwashing their audience to continue watching. However, to all the YouTube creators out there, you'll actually be surprised that there's a bunch of methods that are psychologically proven to help brainwash your viewers to be addicted to your video scripts. You literally have to brainwash your audience to watch until the very end. And luckily in this video, I'll be sharing the super secret brain hacks that will help your video scripts become ultra addictive and your videos will be elite. The better of a script you have, the more viewers will stay until the very end. And the more viewers that continue watching, the more viewers that YouTube will reward you with. So this is an extremely important skill to discover. And I know for a fact that you're not getting any of this advice anywhere else where people are telling you how to make dopamine filling video scripts. Because I was just watching a video of this guy named George Blackman who gets paid thousands of dollars to simply write scripts for huge YouTubers. And in this video where he shared insane advice that would help anyone, it only got 11,000 views. But you don't need to watch that video in order to discover how to write an engaging video script. You probably don't ever need to watch another video about video scripting ever again, because in this video, I'm gonna show you how to brainwash your audience just through your video scripts. Starting on a software called TubeMagic, which is meant to help creators grow their YouTube channel and create viral videos all using AI. And you can get this for one entire week for only $1 by pressing on the link in the description below. So right on TubeMagic's main tool page right here, they have a library of AI tools. What we're gonna want to specifically pick is on video scripts. And then over here, I'm gonna write the context of my video. So for example, I'm gonna do why keeping a pet rock is very good for you. And then I'm gonna write a bit of context. So I'm gonna say a health video on why keeping a rock as a pet is good for you. There we go. And then I'm going to select a template. So general script, a YouTube short, a how-to, a script outline or a list video, and then a word length. So for this one, I'm gonna choose general script just to make it simple. And I'm gonna raise this to maybe 1,000 words right here and hit on generate. And then now TubeMagic is looking at videos with 10, 20, 30 million views on YouTube and is using the same model of engaging scripts to write me one right now. And as you can see, the word count is going up and it is writing me an entire script for my video based on videos that already have went viral on YouTube. Now, as you can see, TubeMagic is just now finishing our script, and in just a moment, it will be done right here, and I can just press on copy script. And then I'm going to paste it into Google Docs, and there you go. And this is an amazing script so far, but the small changes we're about to do to this script is going to make it about 10 times better. You guys can get TubeMagic for one entire week for only $1 by pressing on the link in the description below. And as you see how quickly I made a script, you can make hundreds of scripts over a week using TubeMagic. And that's besides all of the other YouTube AI tools that TubeMagic offers that will help you go viral on YouTube. So TubeMagic has given us an amazing base to work with here, but right now I'm just gonna go through and remove some of this fluff within my script. Like for example, this entire long intro is such a waste of time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna completely delete that, and instead we're going to replace it with a more human intro that's a lot more engaging and a lot more curiosity piquing. The best way to write an intro for a YouTube script is, like I said, pique their curiosity as well as disrupt their thinking process by introducing something that completely changes it. For example, I'm gonna play 2 different intros for YouTube videos right now, and you tell me which one would keep you watching more and which one you would click off right away. There is a psychological switch in every human mind that you can flip with video scripts, and once you find out how to flip it, you will never write a YouTube video script the same ever again. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and I'm gonna show you guys how to write engaging scripts for your videos. Now, if you think the first intro was more interesting, you're obviously right. But if you think the second one is more interesting, then it's a good thing you're watching this video and you really need to change your intro to something more curiosity piquing. So let's replace this intro of our video with something way better. So I'm gonna put in people think a you're smart. Boom, just like that. Now I've put in a much more curiosity-piquing intro, and let me just read this out. People think a rock is simply for children with wild imaginations. Well, you literally couldn't be any more wrong. In fact, you actually benefit more from having a pet rock when you're older. In fact, it actually indicates you're smart. So something like that is a lot more engaging and a lot better for an intro on YouTube, and a lot of people will hear that and wonder how a pet rock could possibly help them in their day-to-day life. Now, we're still not done yet. As you can see, this video has points right here. And as you can see, sometimes the script starts off right with the main point. So pet rocks have been recognized for their ability to provide therapeutic benefits. So the problem with this is it completely gives the first explanation instead of delaying it later. And what I mean is you want your viewer to keep watching and understand the point at the very end and not at the very beginning. You want to slowly bring them in, almost like it's storytelling. Imagine if a movie started with the protagonist winning and then it proceeded to tell you the entire movie. That wouldn't be as engaging, but it starts off with the protagonist potentially facing a threat before the final payoff. And that's what you have to do with this. You have to remove the final payoff and move it to the end. And then I'm gonna bring this down right here to at the end of the point right here. Pet rocks have been recognized for their ability to provide therapeutic benefits. So right here, now it's gonna say, interacting with a pet rock can have a calming effect, helping to soothe nerves and alleviate tension. The simple act of holding and focusing on a pet rock can serve as a grounding practice, allowing individuals to center themselves and find moments of peace amidst the chaos of everyday life. Moreover, pet rocks can significantly play a role in mindfulness and practice meditation. By incorporating a pet rock into meditation sessions, individuals can enhance their focus and presence in the moment. And I can just remove a lot of this other fluff right here. In addition, the pet rock can contribute to emotional stability by providing a sense of comfort and security. The presence of a pet rock can offer a source of reassurance and support, helping to reduce feelings of anxiety and promote overall well-being. By cultivating a bond between the pet rock, individuals may find solace in times, fostering the sense of emotional resilience and balance. I'm gonna remove that last part, that just seems too much. And there we go, I'm gonna write the point is pet rocks have been recognized for their unique ability to provide therapeutic benefits, offering individuals a way, I'm gonna remove unique again, a way to find stress relief and relaxation in their daily lives. So there we go, we moved the payoff at the end instead of the beginning. Imagine if I started this video with telling you guys all of the methods right away and then explaining them further. A lot of people would have clicked off right away because I gave you guys the methods just like that. But instead, I bring you guys on a journey as we do the script together, and you see the methods a lot later instead of at the beginning. Now, the next AI secret that I'm gonna be showing you guys for your scripts, no one is telling you. You are getting this value strictly from this video. And if you have found any value from this video, then consider joining us on our free live training that we will be attending by pressing on the link in the description below. You will discover how to potentially 10x the growth on your YouTube channel, and the only catch for this completely free live training is that there's a limited amount of seats, but you can save your spot right now by pressing on the link in the description below and attend this super valuable free live training. Now for this next step, we're gonna copy our entire script, and now switching over to ChatGPT, which all of you guys know is free, we're gonna write use semantic reframing to make a list of words that can be switched out to be more curiosity piquing. And then we're going to insert our entire script right here and hit on this arrow. ChatGPT is writing me an entire list of things I can switch out to make them much more mysterious and much more curiosity piquing. Like for example, people think can be switched to many assume. Simply for children with wild imaginations, we can do merely for imaginative youngsters. Or you literally couldn't be any more wrong, as this couldn't be further from the truth. If you simply switch out a lot of these phrases within your script with the better ones that ChatGPT is giving you, then your video will be much more engaging. So simply find in your document the words and phrases and then switch them out. So as you age instead of when you're older. As you age, boom. And I'm just gonna go through and do that with all of the things that ChatGPT gave me that I think is much more curiosity piquing, but we still haven't got to the last and final step that will completely change up your script. A lot of scripts will have a conclusion right here that is super long, and in this conclusion, most people realize the video was about to end and click off and don't give you that last 30 seconds or 1 minute of watch time at the end of your video. The way to fix this is to delete your ending and instead funnel your viewers unexpectedly towards a new video without them realizing the video is about to end. Now I'm going to show you guys a prime example of ending a video unexpectedly and funneling to a next video. Check out this video right here where I show you guys an AI tool that will completely change the way you do your YouTube videos.